Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USD. So we are going to be using a website called paxful.com. So you just have to click on the token first and choose USDT. And to choose WebMoney, I'm going to click on the show all search for WebMoney. And that's basically, so you just have to search the amount that you'd like to spend. But first of all, let me make sure that you want to swap to USD and don't use your local currency because you're not going to find any offers. So you just have to choose the amount that you'd like to spend, which is $10 at least. Then just click on find offers. Now, after doing that, all of this, you're going to be prompted with this page. So in this page, you are going to be looking for the follow first of all. Then you just have to make sure that there are some offers right here. So if offers don't exist, I'm going to show you a method to work with this. So after doing that and finding some offers, you can either choose people that are that require ID verification, which are going to be a little bit cheaper than the people who doesn't require it. And you're going to click on verify your ID and actually work on verifying your ID. Now let's get back, as you can see right here. So in this section, I'm going to find a buyer with his reviews, the amount of online he has been, and I'm looking for someone who has been online relatively for a short time. Okay, so actually this guy seems to be 11 minutes ago. So he has 6% above market price, which is okay. I'm going to click on buy. So we got DC right here. I'm going to be prompted with this page, and in this page I'm going to be simply looking for the following. I'm going to actually go ahead and see the average time, which is a minute. That's actually awesome. And the positive feedbacks, it's 168, and the seller seems legit. ID verified, email verified, and everything verified. Even the address is verified. So all the information checks. Now I'm gonna also read the offer terms is high and everything in here. You guys, the fees are on me. Okay, I will actually need you to send more than $10. Keep it in that mind. So can also Google the fees that you have. That's basically it. Now after checking, I'm gonna click on buy now right here. I'm going to be prompted with this page and this page. I'm going to be able to contact the buyer and then the seller. So I'm just going to be you're going to know what's going on. So if I paid it, I'm going to click on paid right here. But I didn't actually pay this guy. So this is just for tutorial purposes. So that's basically it, how you can buy USD using WebMoney. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!